Your stress is not just in your head. After 50, constant pressure can spill into sleep, eating habits, blood pressure, and energy. The problem is that most people try to fix stress with willpower after the damage is already showing. A better approach is to build calm habits first. Hey, welcome back. I'm Ray, and today we're looking at stress and disease prevention after 50, simple daily habits that protect more than your mood. Here's the real problem. Stress doesn't always look dramatic. It can look like waking up tired, snapping at small things, or reaching for snacks at night. Then the body pays for it quietly. Blood pressure can rise, sleep can suffer, and healthy decisions feel harder than they should. That's why stress prevention has to be practical. Not perfect, practical. Start with the morning. The first hour often sets the tone. If you wake up and immediately reach for stress, your nervous system starts the day under attack. Give yourself a cleaner start, drink water, eat a proper breakfast, take 5 slow breaths before you pick up the phone. This is not soft advice. It is a way of reducing the daily load before it snowballs. Food is the next stress tool. When people are stressed, they often eat in a way that makes stress worse. Too much sugar and caffeine push you into a reactive state. A Mediterranean-style pattern gives you steadier fuel: vegetables, fruit, beans, fish, and olive oil. You're trying to stop your meals from adding more pressure. Protein and fiber matter here. A weak breakfast can set up a difficult day. Greek yogurt with berries, eggs with vegetables, or oats can help you feel steadier. Lunch should not be an afterthought either. If you run on coffee until mid-afternoon, don't be surprised when cravings arrive later. Movement is another calm habit. You don't need a punishing workout when you're already stressed. Start with a walk. 10 minutes outside can change your state. Walking gives the body a way to discharge tension. If you can add light strength work twice a week, even better for your independence and confidence. Now look at sleep. Poor sleep makes stress louder. It lowers patience, increases cravings, and makes ordinary problems feel bigger. Protect the hour before bed, dim the lights, stop arguing with the internet. Write down tomorrow's main tasks so your brain doesn't rehearse them at midnight. The next habit is reducing decision clutter. Stress grows when everything feels open and unfinished, so simplify what you repeat. Simplify your dinners and breakfast. Your brain does not need another complicated system. It needs fewer loose ends. Plan your first useful task each morning and keep your routine steady. Relationships matter too. Chronic stress often sits in resentment or pressure you carry alone. You may not fix every relationship, but you can reduce the fuel. Say what needs to be said sooner. Ask for help earlier. Walk away from pointless arguments. Peace is sometimes a health decision. Here's the rehook. Stress prevention is not about becoming relaxed all the time. It's about lowering the daily strain, so your body isn't always recovering. So start with 3 moves this week. 1 calmer morning, 1 proper Mediterranean-style lunch, 1 10-minute walk. Small habits are the ones you'll repeat. If your body feels like it is carrying too much, don't wait for a wake-up call. Subscribe for weekly evidence-based content. Get well and stay well.